Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to clone a GitHub repository using Visual Studio. So here you can see I have signed in into my GitHub account and this is my repository which I need to clone using Visual Studio. So these are the index.html and style.css files available into my repository. Okay, so to clone this repository, click on this code and select the HTTPS and copy this URL. Now go back to your local machine and open the Visual Studio, right? And here you can see the clone repository. Or you can click on continue without code and here you can see the another option, right? Inside Git clone repository. Here you can paste that URL which is you copied from the GitHub. Now here you need to select a destination folder where you can clone the repository from the GitHub. So let's click on this option and select the destination folder. So I will select this one. Okay, so I will create one more new folder which is my test code and I will be clone this repository here. Okay, and select the folder, right? So it will clone the repository here inside this folder and click on clone. So now you can see this index.html and style.css available into my Visual Studio, right, to edit. Now if you go to the destination folder, right, test code, you can see those files are cloned from the GitHub repository. So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching.